Start how to enable the BigQuery Sandbox account. Before you start working with your SQL, you have to know the limitation. You already allow for 12 projects. If you have 13 projects, that means you need to delete one of your older projects before you start your 13 project. And the second thing is for insert and update. So if you need to work with your SQL and you need to insert table or update on the table within this BigQuery Sandbox, it will not allow you that. The three limitation. If you need to read more, so I will leave this the link for this page comments below. And this limitation, this what next. So whatever. So if you need to start working and create our BigQuery account, go to the BigQuery. After you go to the BigQuery, you will have this. You have to select your country and you agree on the terms of service and agree and continue. For me, he'll go directly to the next step because I already signed in my account. So now we go for create project. We create our project. I will give him the project name. My project name is gonna SQL underscore my name is Ala, and then we have to see. I don't like the project ID. He gave me project ID is tough, no need share, whatever. I'll just change that to Ala SQL. Okay, yeah, he take it and then create our project. So now after we create our project, we will explore some of the things that you need to know how to add your data. The good things with BigQuery to add data is published online. That's why is one of the most important tool to practice your SQL. So if you see now we have this explore add data. So if you go for add data, you'll see you have data source type. You have databases, marketing, business. You have a lot of data, online data. You can just click on it and add it to your BigQuery. So public dataset. So this is the why is BigQuery is so important for practicing, because you will have all the data. For example, we have this cloud to group lighting. We just click on it and then we give him view dataset. After we click on a view dataset, so all the dataset now you will have in our Explorer. You'll see now, you see have we received just all these data is BigQuery public data. So this is my project that I create and this is the public data. That's BigQuery. So for example, if we go for Austin, you can see where it's in Austin, there's service request. You click on it, so now you will see the schema. This is all your table names and this is the details and this is the preview. You go for a preview, you will see the table names and what does they contain. This is the source, this is complaint description, the status, last updated. But first you have to preview your data, check everything is okay. You have all the columns, and then if you need to start working on SQL, just click on this view action and then go for a query. And now where we start our running query, select data from where condition, but it's not in this video. We start in details from beginning. Okay, another thing, you have a CSV file if you have your own data and you need to create your own database. So inside this Ala, I don't have now any data, I didn't upload that. If I need to upload one, click on the view action and then create dataset. So I'm gonna just name it anything like this is avocado name, whatever you need to name it, and then leave this one location type as multiple region and then create dataset. So after I create my dataset, now you'll see if I have avocado in my project. And after be inside this dataset, now I have to create my table. So click on the create table. I go for source. For source, I have to choose upload. And then I have to choose my file that I need to upload from my desktop. This is avocado. I have supposed to be, and this is the file. This is the file format is CSV. So this is file is CSV. This is my project. This is my dataset avocado. I have to give him the name, like for example avocado price. This is my table name. You have to give him name, any name. For schema I have to go for auto detect, no need to give him my text, and create table. So now you will see a new table add to my dataset. Is called avocado price. If I need to check, just click on it, you will see the schema, the table names, and what is the type of this table. Well, this is date, I have date, this is a float, this is like float, 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 and this is integer, string, and data, preview. In preview you'll see all the date type, you'll see the column names. Check everything is okay. So this is all you need to know about the how to enable BigQuery account. Please subscribe, leave comment. You'll start our journey about how you start working with SQL. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.